Hi, for this song we'll be playing 10 in the bed, and we get to use just one chord, the F chord. The F chord is made with 2 fingers. We put our first finger on the first fret of the E string, which is the F note, and we put our second finger on the second fret of the G string, which is the A note. But together makes the F chord. F major chord is the official name. And for the first note, we'll sing, there were 10 in the bed, which is we're actually playing the F. The F note is what we'd sing as our first melody note. There were 10 in the bed. So join me and we'll make it all the way from 10 to 1. We'll try some different kinds of strumming and timing as we go. All right, first let's just try quarter notes. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Oh, there were 9 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, I'm crowded. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Oh, there were, how many? 8 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, I'm crowded. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Oh, how many were left? There were 7 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, I'm crowded. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Oh, there were 6 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, I'm crowded. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Oh, there were 5 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, I'm crowded. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Oh, there were, how many? 4. Let's start strumming with our finger now. 4 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, I'm crowded. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Oh, there were, how many? 3 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, I'm crowded. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Oh, there were 2 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, I'm crowded. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Oh, there were, how many left? 1. There was 1 in the bed and the little one said, hey, where did everyone go? I'm lonely. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and play it again if you need to, and then I'll meet you at the next song. Thanks.